How to stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos in your gallery. So hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos into your gallery. So what you can do is there are two ways. One of them is you can just go to one of the person and go to their settings. Tap on the three dot and tap on view contact. Here you can see the media visibility option. Just tap on it and you can see show newly downloaded media chat from this gallery in your devices gallery. Here I have set it into default and the default is no, so it won't be saved into my phone gallery. But if this is on the yes, you may just simply turn it on default no and tap on OK. Then if this person is sending a lot of photos that is cluttering your gallery, then you can stop it by just tapping on media visibility, and tapping on no and tapping on OK. Another way is going to your main settings and turning the option off totally for all of the users at the same time. So what you can do is go to chats. You can see here you see the option under chat settings media visibility where it is written show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. If this option is turned on, all the media that the people send into your WhatsApp will be directly saved into your gallery. So what you need to do is, if this option is on, just turn it off and then no longer the media will be available into your gallery without your permission. If you want to save the medias into your device, then you may just go to that person, you may just go to the media and click on it and manually download it into your device. So in that way, you can stop WhatsApp from saving photos and videos into your gallery. And I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.